and even back when we was with my team. Yeah, Martin Luther King would have been on Dreamville. Talk to her, nigga. One time for my LA sisters, one time for my LA home. Lame niggas can't tell the difference. One time for a nigga who knows. Don't stay high. She don't wanna be saved. Don't stay high. She don't wanna be saved. Don't stay high.
We've been crusty for far too long. I got sunburned and my scalp, you see it's peeling, my edges. Wear your sunscreen because look how bad I look. I went to Soaky Mountain 4th of July weekend, okay? I put on sunscreen at 7 that morning and I did not reapply. And my scalp only burnt where my parts were because I had braids. My eyebrows burnt, everything burnt. My nose, which my nose is kind of done peeling, but everything else, horrid. Anyways, let's start our skincare. Do our normal routine. We'll do half of our normal routine under eye makeup. I'm gonna go in with this Even Tone Glow Serum by Urban Skin RX. And then I'm also gonna go in with my Merit Beauty Great Skin. I rave about this product. This is one of my favorite skincare products at the moment. Y'all can see, like, I have been really using the heck out of this. This will be in the link in my description, so it'll just take you to the Merit site, but you can buy anything through that link. Protect and Perfect. This is by number 7, the Advanced Moisturizer and Sunscreen. We're not gonna do too much on our skin today because, whoa. Alright, I really need to get the brows going because that's what's making me look scary, honestly, right now. I normally do the NYX, what you call that thing? Brow pencil, but we're not gonna do that today. Anastasia Chocolate Brow Powder Duo. I wish y'all could see Bubby right now. He done hopped his butt up in my chair and he's watching TV right now. He's crazy. He's crazy. I'm telling y'all, that dog is not a dog. He's definitely a human. I miss when I used to do my brows like this. I used to use just strictly the powder. I accidentally took too much of my brow off right here, but we're not even gonna worry about that. But yeah, I kind of miss my brows like this, like with the powder instead of the pencil. But for some reason, the trend right now is clean girl and no makeup. Yo, we twins? Kinda. This one got more of an arch. Now I'm gonna go in and set my brows with this e.l.f. brow lift. It's like a brow wax of some sort. Don't know. Bubby is funny, y'all. He done jumped right back in my chair over there. Now for the concealer part, I think I want to go in with this concealer. This is like a 2-in-1, 4-in-1. I don't know how old this is, but this is pure. And it has the spoolie part. And it also has a pump. I'm not sure this is my highlight shade. We're going to find out. This is definitely not my shade, y'all. I've already got my summer tan. Like before summer. So this is real bright. Oh Lord. Like my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna put bronzer on my eyeshadow. I mean on my eyes. I just wipe everything off of my face because no. I did my full face of makeup and then I took it all off because it was not looking good. It was looking like, girl, no. So took it off. But I'm gonna show y'all what I use because this right here is just, I don't know if it's because it's not my shade, if it's too thick or what it is, but this is not it. Not it. I really like my Clinique. Oh, where is it? Can't even darn say. I really like the Clinique Even Better Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF Even and Correct. I really like this. Like, this is my go-to right here. But that other stuff, no. I need to put that in the trash can. Now we are going to go in with our Fenty Beauty. This is in 250. The Merit Beauty foundation stick, and just put that there. And then also put this here because this one is more subtle, it's more natural. can shop all the Merit products that I'll be using today down in my description below. There's going to be a link, and it just goes to the Merit site, so you can get any of the products that I've talked about today through that link.
We'll be here for a clear blue sky, and then we'll fly.
I think I want to go over top with my NARS concealer just a little bit, because I'm going for a really bright under eye. I'll go in with my powders, and I'm just going to use some powder puffs. So my first one, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm almost out of this. Oh my gosh, this is my second favorite. I really like the translucent. This one is in honey. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is my Juvia's Place palette, and I kind of go overboard with the blush, but we're not gonna try to do that today because no ma'am. Actually, first we're going to bronze with powder real quick, just to go over our cream contour. Now we're gonna go in with some blush. I like to use, what's this, Tao, Yara, and B. Then I'm gonna go back in with this Laura and kind of define my cheekbones. And then for my highlights, I'm also gonna use this. This is called Zoba. I'm just gonna put this at the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, ColourPop palette, and do some eyeliner. And then for my mascara, I'm using the Essence. This is my favorite one. The green one is my absolute favorite. For my lips, I'm not gonna really do like a lip combo. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of lip liner and put a gloss on top. For on top of my lips, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty. This is the Gloss Bomb Heat, I guess that's what it's called. I'm just taking this, it's like a lip plumping lip gloss. This is the makeup. What is it giving? I'm not really sure. Now I'm gonna go switch my top, and then I'll be back. This is the fit for today. That Get Ready With Me took entirely too long. I just got on this top that I got from, I think, Marshall's, and then this, I have on sweatpants. These pants y'all have seen before. I got them from Hollister. They're just regular like little flare bell bottoms. I can't decide if I want to wear my Lululemon bag. I don't know if I want to wear my Lululemon crossbody or this Lululemon like little wallet, like coin pouch. I have not worn this in I don't know how long. I might just wear this because it's small, compact. I don't really need much. Yeah, that's all, guys. I'll see y'all.
I'm staying simple, I ain't never ever bugging. If I'm doing good, cool, I ain't never stunting. I keep it real, fuck it, y'all know how I'm coming. So if I die, tell the government I seen it coming.